Hi, good morning, my dearest benefactors. I am Judy Ansi Mayor, second year college this coming school year, taking BS Entrepreneurship, major in Entrepreneurial Tourism. Um, I would like to say thank you for supporting me and my co-scholar for our studies, and I am hoping that you will continue to give us support until the end of our college level. Um, Currently, my grades is good, and my concern is about our duty in our everyday because we are spending an hour to clean, but sometimes we don't have enough hour to clean because we have something important to do. So I hope that it will be lessened into from an hour into half hour, so that we can do our projects and other things to do. And again, thank you for your support, and thank you for your wholeheartedly concern